Hey guys, welcome to another rice water challenge. This was highly requested and this time I'm using black rice. So let's get right into it. This is the black rice I use. I'm taking a quarter cup of rice and rinsing it well before transferring it to my jar and adding 1 cup of distilled water. Swirl it around, close the jar tightly, and leave it in a cool, dark place to ferment. Now, for this challenge, I only let it ferment for about 24 hours due to some time constraints, so let's see if it affected results. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer my rice water to my spray bottle. This video is in partnership with Juvitus. If you are into DIY hair care, skincare, whatever it is that you like to DIY, Juvitus is the go-to supplier of premium bottles and jars. So this 8-ounce frosted clear glass Boston round bottle with a fine mist sprayer was perfect for this challenge. And I'm happy I made the switch from plastic to glass because not only is it eco-friendly, but the non-porous nature of glass means that it does not hold on to any smell. The bottle and closure are food and cosmetic grade, lead and BP free. Also, as you guys know from my previous videos, rice water has a high percentage of antioxidants and vitamins. One of those vitamins is vitamin C. Vitamin C helps with shine, strength, and helps to promote growth. But exposure to light tends to have a negative impact. The frosted and colored glass offers UVA, UVB protection to prevent light degradation, which changes the nutrients in the rice water. So colored glass and frosted glass is the way to go. So I was able to fill the bottle halfway with the rice water, and I filled it up the rest of the way with distilled water to dilute it. I always dilute my rice water. Along with my bottles, I received some labels and these cute little mini funnels, which I thought was a nice touch. So I'm going to label my bottle with black rice water as well as the date to keep track. So I'm starting the challenge on clean hair. I washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried my hair 2 days prior to the challenge. You want to make sure that your hair is moisturized prior to using the rice water. I chose to impart moisture with a good deep conditioner, but we are going to get some measurements. Surprise! I have this random streak in my hair. Don't ask. It was an experiment in my quest for color, but hey, we are going to measure it because the bleach makes it easier to see my results if there are any. So this is night 1 of the rice water. I went through my hair and applied it to my scalp first, and then I also did a couple sprays on the length of my hair. I love the spray closure on this bottle because it always produces a wide, even, fine mist every time I spray, which pretty much guaranteed a precise amount every time. I didn't have rice water running down my face or down my neck because unlike other bottles, it produced a fine mist and not like a stream of water. So that feature made this challenge that much more pleasant. So some quick things to note: I follow up my application each night with a quick 1-minute scalp massage. I did not rinse the rice water from my hair or scalp. I did not completely saturate my hair either, just a fine mist throughout my hair. And I did not use any other products in my hair during the challenge simply because I had no need to. If you feel like your hair feels dry, I implore you to follow up with a water-based moisturizer. Remember, everybody's hair reacts differently, and that's okay. You can carry out your regular routine while doing this challenge. I don't think it will affect your results. I actually ended up washing my hair on night 7 because that's around the time I usually need to wash my hair anyway. I don't think there's any hard and fast rule to this. Just listen to your hair and do what's best for it. Also, doing this nightly did not cause my hair to smell bad. And this is the same batch from day 1. So yes, it lasted me the whole duration of the challenge without spoiling. I stored it in the fridge nightly, but I feel like the glass had a lot to do with the longevity of the rice water. If I forget to mention anything, please check the description box for additional information. I will edit it to include anything I might have forgotten. Anyway, let's get on to the results. Alright guys, so it is the end of the challenge. So it is June 12th. And the challenge ended last night, and this morning I went ahead and I washed and deep conditioned my hair. I'm just going to show you quickly what I used because I got a lot of questions about what I used last time. I don't think it matters, but I'm just going to share. So for shampoo, I use Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair shampoo, and this is from their Manuka honey and yogurt line. And for my deep conditioner, I use my favorite. This is a TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and this is protein free and this is sulfate free, just so you guys know. Also, as you guys saw at the end of the challenge, I had a half a bottle of the rice water left over, so I went ahead and used that as my leave-in, meaning I did not wash it out. I used it as my leave-in conditioner, and then I air dried my hair half the way, and then I blow dried it the other half of the way. So I started the challenge with blow dried hair, so that's why I went ahead and blow dried my hair. I haven't flat ironed my hair in a long time because it's getting too hot for that, you know what I'm saying? So I have no desire to flat iron my hair at the moment, but yeah, I just wanted to end the challenge in the same state that my hair was in when I started it. Okay, I know you guys just want me to get to the results, but I do have a couple of things to note. I only ended up applying the rice water to my scalp for 9 nights, and that's because on the 9th night I had an allergic reaction to something. I know it's not the rice water because I've been using that for months. So yeah, I had to go to the emergency room, emergent care, and I was drugged up and tired by the time I got out at 2 a.m. So yeah, I didn't apply it that night. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my hair down so we can get to measuring to see if this thing actually worked. I did not use the same measuring system that I used the last rice water challenge. If you guys watched the first challenge I did with the white rice, you know that my husband Damien helped me to measure using a shirt. Now, on the first day of the challenge, I was like, all right, cool, I'm just gonna wait till he gets home so he can help me with this. And I forgot, okay? It wasn't until 5 days later when I started to compile the footage, I was just like, where are the t-shirt measurements? Did we not do that? And we did not. So hopefully you guys will be able to forgive me, but I feel like just measuring this section here is a good indicator, just because my hair grows pretty evenly across my head. Just the front here grows really fast, but everywhere else grows pretty evenly. And this section is actually bleached. It's not like color that can rinse out, it's actually bleached, okay? So I feel like it's a good indicator, and a lot of you guys are like,
oh, the t-shirt's not accurate because you can pull it up or pull it down or whatever.
So hopefully this satisfies the masses, okay? All right, so we have this little section here that we are going to measure, and while I was doing the challenge, I was like, my hair is not growing. What's happening? My hair is not growing. But the thing that rice water does to my hair, like my new growth, it makes it super curly. So now that it's straightened, I'm pretty sure it grew. But let us see. I have my tape measure here. All right, so I kind of used a pin to help me hold the tape against my hair, and I'm just gonna hold it at my root. So as you can see, it's right at my root. I'm just gonna hold it here and measure. Oh, this is tricky. All right, let's see. Ah! What else? Oh my gosh. No tricks. It's at my root. Okay? No tricks. Let's go again. That was my mic drop, because this actually works. I've seen tons of videos with tons of amazing results. I've mentioned Selena Zinkchuk on this channel before. She is a supporter of mine and I love her videos. She has so much content on black rice, you guys. She is like the black rice queen. So definitely check out her challenge video. She had amazing results. You can check on her comment section with people saying, hey, this thing actually works. There's another YouTuber that I came across. I think her channel name is Mel's World. She had amazing results as well as people under the comment section saying, hey, this actually worked for me. So I don't know, you guys, if you don't believe me, then more rice for us. Anyway guys, that is all I have for you guys today. If this is the very first video of mine that you're seeing, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe before you go. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. A huge thanks to Juvitus for collaborating with me on this video. Be sure to check out their website at juvitus.com. I will leave a link in the description box to their website, as well as everything used for this challenge. If you like to DIY, they'll definitely have something well suited for your project. Also, there is a discount code already on the website for 10% off your first purchase with the code AZ10, as well as they offer free economy shipping on all orders, which free shipping is always nice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.